Hi, it's Sandra, and I'd like to do my December giveaway. So I have been searching in my stash here to see what I wanted to give away, and I picked out 2 plates, and one is Christmas and one is actually another Halloween plate. So the Christmas plate is Maniology M400, and it's got all these full nail designs. And I think it's really cute. So I got this one. We've got some candy canes and some snowflakes and gingerbread men and some trees, a whole bunch of stuff on there. And then the second one is this one, which is Maniology M519. And that is a Halloween plate. This was like one of my favorite plates. And so you won't have it for this year, but you'll definitely have it for next year. I also wanted to throw in something else, so I'm throwing in this Maniology glass cuticle remover. So those are the 3 items I'm giving away for December. And all you have to do is put enter in the comments. And you must be a subscriber. And I will pick a winner on December 27th, which is Saturday. And all that person has to do is send me their mailing address, and I will send this out. So make sure if you're the winner that you get a hold of me within the next couple days, because what I do is if I don't hear from you by, usually it's the first week in the next month, then I roll it over into the next month's gifts, free gifts. So make sure you contact me right away. So that's it. So good luck to everyone. And don't forget that you must put enter me and you must be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, if I pick your name, not a subscriber, I just go on to the next person. So I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday, and thanks again for watching my channel.